On Cake and Bakes today, we're making a very easy and quick strawberry cream cheese pastry, and we're going to top it off with some powdered sugar.
Come bake with me. To get started, guys, all you need is 21 ounces of strawberry filling. You'll need 34 ounces of vanilla pudding, 2 cups of milk, 8 ounces of cream cheese. You'll need a medium-sized mixing bowl, a whisk, your puff pastry, a pie cutter, or some call it a pizza cutter, and a pan to put your pastry in. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're first going to take our pan and we're going to go ahead and roll our pie crust into our pan. Now we're going to go ahead and leave that parchment paper on there, just like this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and just cut this little piece off. We don't need that extra piece. There we go. And then you're going to take your pie cutter, and all you're going to do is slide it up just like this, not all the way in the middle. We're going to just do cuts on there just like this. Just slanted cuts. Just like that. And then you turn it to the other side, guys, and you're just going to do slants, just like this here, guys. Just go up and do slants, just like this, guys. There we go. Next, guys, we're going to take our vanilla pudding and we're going to pour it into the bowl. We're going to go ahead and add our 2 cups of cold milk. And then we're going to whisk it, guys, until it forms a pretty stiff peak. We're just going to keep mixing the vanilla pudding in the cold milk until it sets. And when it sets, guys, it'll be just a little thicker, nothing hard. It'll just be a little thicker. You'll notice it when it's setting. So it's starting to set. There we go. Once you get this consistency, see it's gotten a little thicker, then what we're going to do next is go ahead and add in our cream cheese. All right, guys, next we're going to go ahead and add in our cream cheese. Just like that. And we're going to use our whisk to go ahead and chop it up just like this, guys. And go ahead and get this cream cheese incorporated into our vanilla mix. All right, just continue to mix, guys, just like this. And it's going to start to look like this, guys. Just continue to mix. It's going to get a little chunky. That's okay. That's what you want, guys. All right, next, guys, just go ahead and just take an ice cream scooper, and we're going to go straight down the middle, just like this here. You're just going to scoop it right on top, just like this, guys. All right, next, guys, we're just going to take and we're just going to spread this in the middle, just like this, guys. Just give it a good spread. There we go. You want to kind of keep it in the middle, guys, as you spread it. Because these areas here will be our folding areas. We're going to kind of give it a braid, tuck it in like a baby. All right, next what we're going to do is go ahead and take our strawberry. And we're just going to put it on there just like this, guys. Just add the strawberry on there. There we go. All right, guys, go ahead and just gently spread your strawberry just like this here. This is your strawberry filling. Now you can use blueberry or any other kind of filling, pumpkin, sweet potato filling, any kind of filling you want. This strawberry is my favorite, and I think it tastes delicious in this pastry. So just go ahead and spread that out there to the end there. There we go. Now here's the fun part that I like, guys. Now I normally take the ends right here and just tuck it over just a little bit like this here. See, I'm taking that, tucking it over just like this here, guys. Just a little bit on the ends. There we go. And all we're going to do, guys, and you may have to pull it at times, we're just going to twist. We're going to tuck this baby in like a baby. And we're just going to continue to twist and just overlap it just like this, guys. Just twist. There we go. And go ahead and put this part up. And again, sometimes it may get sticky to the parchment paper. No worries. We'll get that the way it should be. There we go. We're going to keep rotating. And again, you can make a beautiful braid. And you will get some strawberry on there. No worries. It's going to bake anyway. Go ahead and give this one here a last twist like that. And then we're going to go ahead and pull this one in. There we go. And then the last one. All right, guys, next we're just going to give this a butter bath and go ahead and just drench this in some melted butter so it'll get brown and crispy on the top. So just go ahead and put that butter on there just like this here to get us some crispiness on the top. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Now it's time to stick our pastry in the oven on 350 degrees for 30 minutes. All right, guys, that's it. Look how beautiful it turned out, guys. Oh my God. Listen, guys, this is an easy recipe for any festivity, for your family members, in any gathering. Now all we're going to do is just sprinkle a little powdered sugar on it. Let's go ahead and get this finished. All right, guys, that's it. Very, very simple dish that you can make for your entire family for any occasion. And guys, it's so flaky on the top. It's so moist and delicious on the inside. You guys got to try it. I'll see you next Tuesday. Come bake with me.